Well, if you're going for the general election de facto strategy, then you have to make it special. You can't just say, well, we'll just roll up and fight as political parties. Because people will say, well, if you're fighting in political parties, it's just a normal election. You'd have to fight it as Scotland United or something like that. I mean, there's a case, of course, in British politics. Lloyd George, 100 years ago, fought an election called the Coupon election, where you were Liberal, Labour, Tory, well, for Lloyd George Coupon. You could fight an election like that as Scotland United, SNP, Scotland United, Green, Scotland United, Alba, whoever else was prepared to support independence, and then say, look, this is clearly above political parties. This is just about the cause and the case of Scottish independence. That might work. Still be difficult, but it might work.
So you would like the three mains, well, yourselves, Scottish Greens and SNP to unite on a ticket, kind of in that sense?
Yeah, but that's the only way you could make it special. It's the only way you could win it. If you fight it just in a normal party political way, two things will happen. One is all of the failings, and they are quite substantial at the moment, of the SNP government, health service, ferries, etc., will be used against you in a campaign. And secondly, your opponents will say, there's nothing special about this is just a normal election on every issue. If you want to make it a special election, you've got to make it special. So that's the way it could work, but that is a process which is fraught with difficulty, much, much more difficult than to proceed on the strategy which has gained Scotland so much over the last quarter century, and that's preserving the right and ability of the Scottish Parliament to advance to independence. Now, for the life of me, I don't understand why that's been gambled before the Supreme Court.